May is off to a great start. We have received updates from Notability, NotShelf, GoodNotes, and now Nebo. Let's find out what's new in Nebo 3.2. Hey guys, it's Rob back with Paperless X, a channel that is all about digital productivity. If you're new to our channel, hello. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you know each time we release a new video. And if you're already subscribed, fantastic human, welcome back. Nebo has been accommodating devices that don't use the Apple Pencil. It's not surprising, therefore, that in Nebo 3.2, they have introduced the Nebo viewer for the iPhone. This is a mini version of Nebo, which we are excited to watch develop into a full Nebo application. At the moment, you can only view your notes. You can copy your notes if you want to paste them in another application. You can search your notes. And the application also supports universal search. You can export your notes as text, PDF, Word, or the Nebo format. And you can publish your notes from your iPhone. How many of you guys are excited to have Nebo on your phone? Now that Nebo supports writing with passive styluses and it also has keyboard input, there is no reason not to have the application on our phones. You can select pages to pick multiple topics for exporting out of the application. If you're exporting Nebo pages, the pages that convert your handwriting to text, you can choose to export them as text, PDF, Word, or the Nebo format. When you export the freeform pages, you can export them as PNG, PDF, SVG, or the Nebo format. Only PDF and Nebo formats are common between the two different types of pages you get in Nebo. Those are the only options you get when you choose to export a combination of Nebo and freeform pages. You can choose to combine the topics that you want to export into one file. The application lets you name the document you're exporting. Nebo lets you export all the documents individually. So you can export documents separately and unzipped. If you ever wanted to export multiple topics out of Nebo, you can do that now without a fuss. You can preview your documents to see what they look like before you export them. And this is a feature we've not yet seen in any note-taking application before. Nebo 3.2 has also changed their exporting options. We can no longer export HTML format from the application. How many of you guys were exporting HTML out of Nebo? Just out of curiosity. They have replaced HTML with the Nebo format, which is the format that you can share your notes with other Nebo users. They've also changed the way we export our PDFs out of the application, especially for Nebo pages. You can now export your pages as handwritten notes. The application no longer converts your handwriting to text if you export it as a PDF. The best part is that your handwriting remains searchable in the applications that have handwriting recognition. We have successfully searched through our handwritten notes that we exported out of Nebo in liquid text, NotShelf. Say what? Nebo is now the second note-taking application to export searchable handwritten notes. GoodNotes was the first to introduce this feature, in case you're wondering. Let's hope they can start allowing us to decide our pages when we want to export notes out of the application. It's important that we decide the pages we want to create. You can now add checklists to your notes. You can either write items in a list and then convert it to a checklist, or you can draw the checklist boxes yourself. You can tap the checkboxes to tick off the items you've completed. At the moment, the application only ticks off items without dimming or striking them out. Let's hope those features will come in the future. Ticking off the checkbox is not enough, especially when you have long lists. Our Nebo developers continue to improve the freeform pages for us. In this update, they have introduced the erasing gesture. Gestures in Nebo are great, and they help us work even faster with less effort. We certainly look forward to having all the Nebo gestures in the freeform pages. In case you missed it, we are having a giveaway for GoodNotes, and for more details on that, please watch the video we did on GoodNotes 5.7. Don't forget to check out our PC apps channel. Nebo 3.2 is a great update. It is laying a solid foundation for what to expect in the future from Nebo, and that is exciting. Which of these updates do you like the most? Thank you for watching. Fantastic Human. See you in the next video.